Tomatoes are widely grown for their fruits. The nutrient and vitamin content of tomatoes, as well as its various uses, makes tomatoes one of the most used vegetables in human food. In southern Mali, tomatoes are usually grown during the dry season. At harvest, there are lots of fresh tomatoes in the market. But during the lean season, tomatoes become very scarce and consumers buy canned tomatoes at high prices or no longer eat tomatoes until the next harvest.
When we keep tomatoes longer after harvest, they rot. At harvest, there are lots of tomatoes and the prices go down. When we bring small baskets to the market, we ask for 1,500 francs, but clients buy it at 1,000 francs, while these same baskets are sold at 6,000 francs during the dry season.
However, there is a solution. By processing tomatoes into concentrate, you can use it for 1 year. And tomato juice can be used for 2 to 3 weeks.
When we process tomatoes, we no longer need to go to the market and buy them. We will use what is available for cooking. Processing has lots of benefits. When we eat tomatoes, the body benefits from nutrients. When we sell processed tomatoes, we earn money to spend.
In this video, we will learn from women farmers in southern Mali how they easily process tomatoes into concentrate and juice. As in all food preparations, hygiene is important when processing tomatoes. So wash your hands thoroughly before starting. To get healthy tomatoes, sort them and wash them with clean water. As tomatoes contain lots of water, use a knife to cut each into 4 slices for easy cooking. Cooking helps reduce water in tomatoes and kill disease-causing germs. Put a pot on the fire and add the tomato slices. But do not overfill the pot with tomato slices as they may spill over when boiling. Add water to cover the tomato slices and close the pot. Cook just until boiling. Jata Kone tells us how she knows when the tomatoes are cooked.
The way I know the tomatoes are cooked is that when they are about to boil, they have a certain smell. And when I look at them, I see that the skin is peeling off the flesh and the color turns a bit white.
Now that the tomatoes are cooked, take them from the pot and filter using a wide meshed sieve or a spatula with holes. This helps separate cooked tomatoes from the cooking water. Use this water in your sauces as it is also rich in nutrients. Push the cooked tomatoes in a clean container. Mash up the tomato slices in the container using a ladle to turn them into a porridge. Filter this porridge using a sieve and separate the paste from the tomato skins. You can use these tomato skins in your sauces as they contain nutrients. Take a second sieve with a finer mesh and 2 other containers. Filter the paste into the first container to separate the concentrate from the juice. The liquid filtered through the sieve and collected in the first container is called tomato juice. Put the paste remaining in the sieve in the second container. This is called tomato concentrate. Now, the tomato juice and concentrate are separated in different containers. To get a good concentrated product to be stored for longer, put the tomato concentrate in a clean pot on the fire and heat. But do not add water and do not close the pot.
If we close the pot, the steam going up touches the lid, becomes liquid and comes back into the concentrate. But we want to remove water from the paste. We don't want water to add up again.
Stir with a ladle from time to time so that it does not burn.
The way I know that my concentrate is ready is when the color becomes darker than at the beginning, it becomes concentrated and the water is gone.
In the meantime, prepare the bottles for the tomato concentrate. Sterilize your bottles before using them. Wash them thoroughly and heat them in a pot with water.
We heat the bottles to remove any dirt and kill bacteria. This helps make them clean before putting in the tomato concentrate.
Remove the pot from the fire. With a spoon, put the tomato concentrate in the sterilized bottles and close with caps. Always leave a space between the concentrate and the cap so that they do not touch. Always take care to properly close the bottle caps so that the concentrate does not spurt during pasteurization. To pasteurize your tomato concentrate, put the bottles filled with concentrate in a pot and let it boil for about an hour. Store the bottles in your house. As for the tomato juice, to kill all disease-causing germs and to prevent fungus from developing during storage, we need to heat the juice again until it boils. Usually women drink the tomato juice with their children after preparation. If you want to keep the juice longer, pour it into clean sterilized bottles. Close the bottles, put them in a pot and heat for about an hour to pasteurize the juice. Now that the bottles with the juice are well heated, remove them from the pot and store them in your house. But avoid storing the bottles in a place that is too hot, as this may spoil them. Let's remember that tomatoes can be easily processed into concentrate and juice. Wash, cut, and cook your tomatoes to make them soft and kill germs. Mash and filter the tomatoes to separate the skins from the juice and the paste. Heat the paste to obtain the tomato concentrate. Pasteurize at 100 degrees so that the concentrate can be stored throughout the year. Heat the juice to kill any germs and prevent molding. Pasteurize the tomato juice in the bottles to store for 2 to 3 weeks. By processing your tomatoes, you avoid selling them at low prices during the harvest season. You will no longer need to buy tomato cans at high prices. And you will provide energy to your family by having tomatoes to eat throughout the year.